All right, let's do a Tesla update. I haven't done a Tesla update in a while. Let's go over option flow first. So let me put in Tesla here. And let's do over 500,000. So today, there's been some put flow. You have some calls as well. Nothing substantial. On Friday, you had some above the ask calls as well. So nothing really substantial in the options flow. Let's go over the chart now. Videos I made in the last month or so, I talked about this move right here is an impulse move, so I have that labeled as A or 1. Then we got this pullback, which is pretty predictable. We had a gap to fill here. It came down here and filled the gap right away. We bounced, and now we've been chopping for about a month. So what is going on here? What I see from this, originally I was thinking we're probably going to make an ABC move, potentially down to here. But it doesn't make sense with the moving averages. If they really want to get this up to 230 to 250, you want to keep it above the 20 and the 50-day moving average. Take a look at where those are at right now. And currently, we are below the 20, but still above the 50. The 50 has been key over the last month or so. And we stayed above the 20 when it broke through it for a little bit. But we've been above the 50 the whole time. This has been chopping back and forth. So what I think is going on here is we're looking at a contracting triangle. And I'll draw it up right here. Let me go down on the hourly. So, contracting triangle just means that it's contracting, but it can be bullish or bearish depending on how it starts off. This right here started off with an A wave down here, B wave bounce. We got this ABC move down here, and I'll draw the bottom part of the triangle now. And you can see it's contracting because we got A, B, C, D. So E wave right here is coming up almost perfectly into the vote. So if this plays out like it should play out, in the way I've been projecting it over the last month or so, is I'm looking for a move up here to this box right here, 228 all the way up here to 258. So this would look like this. And then we would get something like that. So it seems pretty easy because all you gotta do is buy calls here or buy shares. But obviously, it's going to be kind of tough for some people that believe that it's this easy. But it is a contracting triangle, in my opinion. If we get the right result, which is yes on the pay package, then I think that this is a very good likelihood. If there's a no on the pay package and the stock reacts negatively, it's possible this could invalidate. If it invalidates, I would still be bullish overall because you still have this move. But it's possible this could go all the way down here to 160. That would just mean it's going to be a lot more tough to go all the way up here to 230. It would probably mean that you're heading to maybe 225, 230. It would change it a little bit, but I still think the structure would be bullish overall. And so let's say maybe they shake everybody out too, and this is not correct. Then still, if it comes down here, I'd be buying because you're going to get a bounce, and you're probably going up here above 200 at some point. And the analyst from Morgan Stanley last week was saying that at some point this year, it will be above 200. So they're already letting you know what's going to happen. But I'm sure people are still going to be very, very bearish here. But overall, this is a bullish formation. And if we go to 250, the question is, do you sell there or do you ride it higher? In my opinion, it's probably going to be a sell because this overall formation on the higher time frames is also the same formation. You have A, B, C, D, E, like that. And then I think it takes off. So you could sell covered calls too. I don't know if it's going to 1,000, but maybe like $500 or $600. So anyway, I think that 250 is likely, and you can see here also maybe 240. 240 might be more likely, I guess. 240 might be likely. Hits the top of this parallel line from the very top of this, and then we come down here probably into the end of 2024. You're probably going to see a lot of chop and down, and it's going to really frustrate longs again. And they're going to say Tesla's done for, Tesla's over with, and then it's going to pop and it's not going to look back. So you can see how frustrating this stock is because the downtrend took almost all year. We get 1 week of a pop from 130 all the way to 200. Consolidation down, and we're probably going to get another pop for about a week, and then it's going to sell off again. So very frustrating stock. I would say the chances of it breaking through here and being the next move higher are slim, but I think that 240 is very likely sometime in late June, potentially into early July going into earnings. So I think this is one of the biggest catalysts that this stock has had in a long time. That's another reason why this move is possible. I'll have to look at the premiums on options to see what it's projecting as far as the move goes. But overall, I think you're looking at 240 potentially in the next couple of weeks. And that would be a good spot to probably sell out. So anyway, that's my Tesla update. Bullish into the vote. Most likely, if something else happens differently, then I'll make a video and go over it. We'll see what happens. Looking great. And that's all I got for now. Leave me a comment, like, subscribe for more updates, and I will catch you in the next video.